Deploying intelligence into critical infrastructure with advanced analytics requires a reliable and efficient energy source. My name is John Christian, and I am the Director of Sales for Powerstack Critical Infrastructure Team for North America. I've spent my career in the security infrastructure industry, water, energy, oil and gas, transportation, and emergency services. I've worked with partners to match security technology with their security needs. In this line of work, I've learned how important it is to deploy electronic infrastructure quickly, efficiently, and with minimal interruptions to surrounding businesses and communities. I'm super excited about Powerstack's solution because it provides clean, renewable energy for virtually any use. Video systems, audio, perimeter detection, communications, smart city sensors, power and lighting, the possibilities are endless. Powerstack offers the latest intelligent renewable energy design and energy management systems, making it a highly reliable source of energy. No more costly labor of heavy machinery, destroying parking lots and public areas with digging and trenching to connect to carbon-intensive utility power. 100% off the grid and powered only by the sun's energy, the Powerstack system offers a clean, attractive, and rapidly deployable solution. We designed for the middle of winter conditions, utilizing a full 5 days power backup, making the Powerstack system extremely reliable. All North American Powerstack poles are assembled in Central Texas and are made to order based on your requirements with a full 10-year warranty, including the battery system. Also, importantly for all outdoor infrastructure, the Powerstack system is extremely vandal resistant. We utilize glass-free, shatterproof solar panels, enabling sleek aesthetics and ruggedized design in one elegant system. If you're looking for a reliable, cost-effective, clean and green energy system to power your next infrastructure project, Powerstack has you covered. I'm John Christian, and I want to welcome you to the Powerstack family.